7 Best DIY Face Masks for Acne. In the quest for smooth, youthful skin, we all face different issues. For some, it might be wrinkles. For others, it might be acne that always seems to pop up at the worst times. Thankfully, there's a natural way to clear up acne-prone skin with only a few simple ingredients found in your kitchen. We have put together the 7 best acne-fighting face masks to help clear up even the worst acne outbreaks and help keep them away for good. We'll also show you how you can heal and prevent wrinkles while you sleep. So make sure you stick till the end of this video and make sure to subscribe to Your Health TV to get videos like this recommended to you every week. The 7 best acne-fighting face masks. Number 7. Egg white and papaya face mask. Papaya is packed full of acne-fighting vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, beta-hydroxy acid, papain, and potassium. When mixed with egg white and honey, papaya is ideal for reducing redness, healing acne, and shrinking pores. To make an egg white and papaya face mask, you have to add 1 whipped egg white in a mixing bowl. Mash 1/2 cup of papaya and add it into the whipped egg white and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all the ingredients well. Before applying the mask, wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mixture and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash the mask away by rinsing with lukewarm water and a soft washcloth if necessary. Apply the mixture and let it dry for 15 minutes. Wash the mask away by rinsing with lukewarm water and a soft washcloth if necessary. Splash your skin with cool water to close and tighten pores, and then pat dry with a soft, clean towel. Number 6. Aloe vera and tomato juice face mask. If you're looking for a way to simultaneously tone your skin, fight breakouts, and reduce acne scarring, then you'll want to try an aloe vera gel and tomato juice face mask. It's simple to make and especially effective at fighting acne. To make an aloe vera and tomato juice face mask, you will need aloe vera gel and tomato juice. All you have to do is mix 2 tablespoons of tomato juice and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera into a large mixing bowl. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mask and let it dry for 15 minutes. Remove the mask by rinsing with lukewarm water. Splash your skin with cool water to close and tighten pores. Then pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. Number 5. KEFIR and honey face mask. Have you ever heard of KEFIR? KEFIR is essentially a type of yogurt. The neat thing about kefir, though, is that it contains approximately 40 times more beneficial bacteria than regular yogurt. That's great news for your skin. The extra bacteria, coupled with the lactic acid in kefir, will exfoliate, hydrate, and soothe red, acne-prone skin. The antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties in the honey will add extra healing properties to this recipe, making it a great addition to any beauty routine. To make the kefir and honey face mask, measure 1/4 cup of kefir into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the ingredients well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply an even layer of the mixture to your face and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse your skin thoroughly with lukewarm water to remove the mask and splash your face with cool water to tighten pores. Gently pat dry with a soft towel. Number 4. Baking soda and coconut oil face mask. Believe it or not, baking soda is one of the most versatile cleansing agents you can buy. You can use it to clean your counters, your dishes, your teeth, and even your skin. Who would have guessed? Another surprising benefit of baking soda is that it's a natural exfoliant that is especially effective for those with sensitive skin. It can also help keep your skin's pH levels balanced, which is an important factor in the fight against acne. To make the baking soda and coconut oil face mask, mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl. Stir until the ingredients form a smooth paste. If necessary, add more baking soda 1 pinch at a time until the paste becomes thick and smooth. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the coconut oil and baking soda mixture and gently massage your skin with small circular motions for 2 minutes. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water to remove the mask, then rinse a second time with cool water to close your pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Number 3. Honey, Oat, and Whole Milk Face Mask. Most over-the-counter acne treatments contain harsh ingredients that can do your skin more harm than good. Skip the chemicals and go with an all-natural treatment like honey instead. Honey is a natural nourishing agent known for its ability to help skin retain moisture, which prevents your body from producing excess oil that can lead to acne. Oats are beneficial for acne-prone skin too. They contain properties that will help keep your skin clear and healthy. Add to that the skin-tightening lactic acid in whole milk, and you've got a great recipe for all your acne prevention needs. To make the honey, oat, and whole milk face mask, pour 3 tablespoons of dried oats into a blender and add 1 tablespoon of whole milk and mix until you've made a paste. Mix in 1 tablespoon of organic honey. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Remove the mixture from the blender and apply evenly. Let the mixture dry on your skin for 15 minutes. Rinse the mask off with warm water, then splash your face with cool water to close your pores. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Number 2. Avocado and Vitamin E Face Mask. Vitamin E is a powerful immune system booster when taken orally, which also makes it great for treating and preventing stubborn, acne-prone skin. But the benefits don't end there. When vitamin E oil is applied directly to your skin over time, it can help reduce the appearance of stubborn acne scars. This beneficial vitamin is naturally found in green leafy vegetables and some nuts like almonds. You can also purchase vitamin E as an oil for topical application. For even more acne-fighting benefits, mix vitamin E oil with avocado. When combined, these ingredients produce a powerful anti-acne duo for a clearer complexion. To make the vitamin E and avocado face mask, you have to remove the pit and skin from half of an avocado first. Mash the avocado in a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Mix the ingredients well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to remove makeup and open pores. Apply the mask and let it dry for 15 minutes. Remove the mask with lukewarm water first, then splash your face with cool water to close your pores. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Number 1. Oatmeal and Coconut Oil Face Mask. Coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it's an ideal choice to help fight acne. Add to that the soothing and pH balancing power of oatmeal, and you've got an amazing recipe for clearer skin. To make the coconut oil and oatmeal face mask, scoop 3 tablespoons of oatmeal into a mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of warm water. Mix until you've made a paste. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. Wash your face and neck with warm water and an oil-free cleanser to cleanse your face and open pores. Apply the mixture and let it sit for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, gently massage your entire face using small circular motions for another 2 minutes. This brief massage will help remove dead skin cells that, if left, can clog pores. Finally, rinse the mask off with cool or lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Now that you know how to make these acne-fighting face masks, make sure to give it a try and let us know your results in the comments below. And lastly, if you found this video helpful, do us a small favor. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you again in another video.